Martinelli Residential Gutters. Our seamless gutter systems protect your home's foundation, roof, and landscaping from water damage. Residential soffits provide ventilation, preventing moisture damage to roofs and attics, enhancing your home's protection and attractiveness. Our gutters are designed to fit your roofline precisely, directing rainwater away from your home's foundation. We assist you in choosing materials, styles, and colors to complement your home's design. Our reliable professionals ensure high-quality installation, prioritizing your property's care. We've committed to providing excellent service at a fair price since day one. Protect your home with Martinelli Gutters. Contact us for a free estimate and discover why we're the smart choice. Martinelli Gutters, protect your home. Contact us today.